na wala tayong paraan na bilisan ito. Sinasabi mo dito, BCO Mandy, that yes, we're on the road to increase and by next year we can see increase benefits, we can see ganito. Pero hindi ko matanggap pa rin na bakit hindi natin ito kayang gawin bilisan lahat. Kulang ba ang team na naggagawa nitong yung actuarial team to identify, and then after that, anong gagawin? Nagiging delay ba yung pag-meeting sa benefits committee? Sa board ba? Ano ba ang dapat gawin? Kailangan ba araw-araw kayo mag-meeting para magawa ito? Yun ang hindi ko matanggap, Mr. Chair, na kailangan mag-antay. A little more patience. Anong katumbas? Maraming pasyente. More patients are dying.
Mr. Chair.
Please continue, Mr. Ledesma.
Again, Mr. Chair, we hear you loud and clear. We are working as fast as we can. Maybe to add, Mr. Chair, we are also about to undergo a major reorganization in PhilHealth, so we will be increasing our manpower.
When is that?
We are
Sorry,
trying
Mr.
as fast as we can to increase our accredited facilities. I'd like to think, Mr. Chair, I understand all of the impatience and everyone wants to get things resolved as soon as possible. We are all only human, Mr. Chair. Rest assured, we are working 24/7 in PhilHealth, all 10,000 of us, to try to move as fast as we can. And again, I know I sound like a broken record, but maybe just a little more patience, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, sorry, BCO Mandy, sorry. Pero yung reason that we are human, hindi po katanggap-tanggap. No? The reason why nandyan kayo, DOH, PhilHealth, is to make sure na itong mga problema na to ng ating mga kabayan ay magawa. Okay? So, again, I want, Mr. Chair, yung mas agresibo and definite, no? Kasi, ano ba talaga? Nag-a-announce po ang PhilHealth, ang DOH, sorry, last month, dental health, dental kasama na. Kagabi, sinabi mo, in-approve na. Today, meron pong press release. I saw na si Secretary Herbosa meron ng in-announce. Pero, nakalagay doon, approve na, 50%, ganito. Yung eyeglass, kasama na rin. Yung emergency care and everything. Pero pag tinanong mo actual, kailan ito magiging epektibo? Anong mangyayari dito? Anong sasagutin? Wala pa ng IIR, wala pa ng guidelines, may kailangan pang gawin, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So kailan ba to? Like, in-announce nyo, yung dental care kasama na. Pero in actuality, hindi natin alam kailan. Sasabihin by next, maybe by January of next year, maybe by February of next year. Kailan ba talaga ito? Naglolokohan ba tayong lahat dito?
Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Actually, Mr. Chair, before the year ends po, may circular na lahat yan. We will already...
So, that's what I want to hear, Mr. Chair. Before the year end, which is December 31, lahat po itong in-announce, including yung na-approve kagabi, meron na circular ito, pwede nang i-avail. When?
Starting January 2025, Mr. Chair.
January 1, 2025. Lahat ng in-announce pwede na.
Starting January 2025. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Yung ibang mga na-commit ninyo, like diagnostic scans, cancer treatment, that's a commitment. So, kailan yan mangyayari?
Actually, Mr. Chair, we can provide this honorable committee with the complete schedule, including the timetable po by the month. So, iba-iba kasi yung implementation tsaka yung mga circular po. Pero lahat yun, malapit na po kasi approved na po lahat yan eh. We'll provide na lang the committee with the detailed timetable, Mr. Chair, if that's okay.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Ang next question ko is, ang DOH ba is, ang PhilHealth is under DOH. Tama po ba?
It's an attached, Mr. Chair, if I may. It's an attached agency po of the Department of Health po. And the PhilHealth Board po, just for the information of this committee, the PhilHealth Board, it's a 15-member board. 6 are ex officio, chaired by DOH Secretary and vice-chaired by myself, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Ano bang ginagawa ng DOH to fast-track ito, Mr. Chair? Kasi gusto ko malaman, what is the role of DOH here? Kasi puro PhilHealth ang binibira natin, no? Sorry to use the word. Gusto ko malaman kasi DOH ang pinaka nasa taas, no? So, yan ang pinaka-mandate dapat.